everybody, welcome back to my beauty channel. So today we are going to be dipping in with the Proud palette by Jolie Beauty. I'm going to be creating another special glittery, cut creasy kind of look today as usual, because I know that I love to sparkle, girl. Obviously, everyone loves to be a fairy. So we're going to be using some pinks, purples and some yellows today. Let me show you what it looks like. I have actually cracked my Jeffree Star and I'm so upset about it. It's really sad, but it's such a beautiful palette. Here we go. I'm late to the party with this, so I received this as a Christmas present. Honestly, I'm shook. I love it so much. But I'm really late to the party. A lot of people have had this since Pride. I think it came out around Pride time. I'm assuming so anyway. And I've heard really good things about it. So let's dip in properly. I'm really excited. So to start off with, we will go in with shade Graham. Ooh, gosh. Which is this one right here. And we're going to put that onto the eyelid. Wow. It's so pigmented. And it's really, really easy to blend out. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't believe how good this is. I really can't. Wow. I'm literally in love. This is amazing. I love this so much. Here we go. So this is shade Graham on. Honestly, the pigment is absolutely stunning and it blends out really, really nicely. I love it, and I love that all the shades are named after a lot of people in the LGBTQI plus community, and then the bottom sparkly shades are all really nice words of like acceptance and love. So we have freedom, inclusion, unity, acceptance, strength, expression and love. How lovely is that? I absolutely love the whole concept of this palette. It's literally, it's just beautiful and wow. Let's continue. So next we are going to dip in with shade Steven, which is a nice baby pink. And we're just going to blend out the purple. So we're going to blend it in together, just like this. Wow. This palette is also really good for finding the shades that blend well together. So if you're just starting out and you don't really know what shades are good transition shades or what shades work really well together, this palette is literally aligned in colours and different shades. So honestly, it's perfect. It really is so good. That is blending so well. There's not much fallout at all, either in the pan or on my eyes, which is amazing. I usually get quite a lot of fallout just because I like to get as much product as possible. But there's literally no fallout whatsoever so far, which is great. I'm loving this. That is lovely. Wow, I'm in love. So next we are going to cut the crease. So we're going to apply my all-time favourite everyday go-to. If you've been watching me for a while now, you'd know exactly what I'm going to say. The Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Concealer. I use this every single day. I use this on my face all the time, and you know, it's just my favourite. I feel like I need to try some more products out, but at the moment this is just my favourite. I'm very biased when it comes to what I use every day. So this is shade 0.5 because I'm just a ghost, especially in the winter. So we're going to start up here and we're going to drag it out. There we go. On to the next one. I cannot believe this palette though. Like, I'm actually really shook. I've been hearing good things about it for a while, but like, wow. So next we are going to put on a shimmer shade. We're going to try this out. I will go in with... Nearly hit me in the face. I am going to be going in with shade Unity, which is this one right here. It's a beautiful goldy yellow colour. Let's see how this goes on the eyelid. Hopefully it plays out really well, just like the rest of the eyeshadows have so far. High hopes, guys, high hopes. Ooh. This is very glittery. It's not even like a shimmer shade, it's just pure glitter, which I love. Wow. Okay, so you have to keep dipping back in a lot, which I'm not mad at, that's fine. Cool. I really like this. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be pure glitter. I was really thinking it would be like a shimmer shade, but it's literally just pure glitter, and I am living for that. Okay, I love it. Let's go in with the other eye. As I said, you do have to keep dipping back into the pan, but I really don't mind that. And it's not too messy. I mean, you can see that I've got some fallout here, but it's glitter, so it's gonna fall out. But in the pan, there's literally nothing coming out. Like, it's not anywhere on the actual palette itself. So that's fine. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, she sparkles, baby, she sparkles. Oh my god. I absolutely love this. I just want to put it all over my face, like. But I just love glitter, so there you go. Let's get rid of this fallout on my face. Oh, it's a little bit tougher to get off, but glitter sticks anyway. There we go. So now we're going to go back into that gorgeous Graham shade and we're going to blend it in with the glitter. So I'm literally just making the shade meet the glitter so it blends in. So pretty. And finally, we are going to go underneath my eyes. We're going to go underneath my eyes and we'll go in with Cara, which is a lighter lilac shade. And we're just going to go under the eye. Here we are. So let's do a zoom in so you can see. So now we are going to apply some liner. As always, I have got my Rimmel Glam Eyes liner. And we're just going to put a little thin layer on today. I say this all the time. And then what happens? We get a big wing. My cat is literally under my feet right now making the strangest noises ever. We're actually sticking to doing a little liner today. Can you believe it? Whenever I do like a small cat wing liner, I find it so difficult to get the wings like symmetrical. And I don't know why. I find it a lot harder to get them symmetrical than I would when I do a big cat look. Cat eyeliner look? I don't know. Winged eyeliner, whatever you want to say. Okay, so now I am going to put on my Avon True Colour Blackest Black pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that onto my waterline. And now we are going to go in with Revolution Blowout Mascara. This is getting so dry now. I really should get a new one, but I haven't come around to it yet. If you didn't know already, this is my favourite mascara ever. I wear lashes a lot, so my natural eyelashes are so damaged, but this is like a saviour. It's literally saved my eyelashes. I've gone from having short stumpy ones to putting this on and it's like they were never damaged. This is getting so dry. Okay, now I'm going to put on some lashes. So again, these are literally just Primark lashes, they're nothing special. So I'm going to put these on and I'll come back. So here we have it, guys, the look is all complete. I would 100% recommend this beautiful Proud palette by Jolie Beauty. The colours are stunning, the pigments are absolutely perfect. As I said, it's a really good guide if you don't quite know how to really blend colours and see what are good transition shades, etc. Because if you have a look, they are literally all aligned here. So you can see what colours would really work with one another. And honestly, it's perfect. I love the whole concept of this palette. I love all the different shade names and how they're all like people that relate to this. It's just, honestly, it's amazing. And the shimmer, well, the glitter shades, woo, they are perfect. So let's zoom into this look. I had so much fun creating this. Thank you so much for coming along and sticking around. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't ever miss a thing. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.